Hello, it's Andre here. A human safari of unbelievable horror is happening in Kherson, Ukraine. Drones are hunting Kherson civilians for sadistic sport. Independent British reporter Caolan Robertson has just been interviewed about this by Ukrainian YouTuber Operator Starsky. Caolan says in the video, there are videos where they would fly an FPV drone into a door or window, blow it up, and then fly another FPV drone into your house, and you could be in your bed, you would hear a bang, and 5 minutes later there's a drone hovering above your bed. This is like the Terminator. Caolan adds, what the hell is going to happen when the leaves fall? This is an excellent and highly recommended video, so no spoilers from me. Find out more about Caolan's reporting from Kherson and also about Caolan himself. I'll leave links to Operator Starsky's YouTube interview with Caolan, Caolan's link to his YouTube documentary, and South Coast View's website post about this. I have many posts about the war in Ukraine on South Coast View's website, which you can see here. Just a reminder that all the links are in the description below. If you like this video, do give me a like and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.